Hey everybody, welcome and once again, good morning to one and all by Pooja Joshi Easy English Explanation. So today we are going to do the second video, that is second part of the last leaf, lesson number 7, standard 9th moment supplementary reader. So in the first part I've already posted the video, so you can see the second part. I will continue from today, but before that let me just tell you a short summary. So in the first part we saw that there were two friends, Sue and Johnsy, sharing the same apartment to share the rent maybe, and they were both very good friends, but Johnsy fell very ill once in November and she had pneumonia. The doctor came almost every day, but she had no will to live and she just looked at the old ivy creeper outside her window and she felt that when the last leaf will fall, then I will die. So, what happens next? Let me tell you that how her life is saved, what happens, who saves her life, what happens to the last leaf, why it does not fall. तो आइए इस सेकंड पार्ट में, सेकंड वीडियो में हम देखते हैं कि जॉन्सी बच पाती है, वो कैसे बचती है, क्या होता है, लास्ट लीफ आखिरी पत्ता क्यों नहीं गिरता है, कौन सी जॉन्सी को हेल्प करता है. चलिए देखते हैं. All right, said Johnsy, finish your painting soon, for I want to see the last leaf fall. I'm tired of waiting. I have to die. So let me go away peacefully like one of those poor tired leaves. Or try to sleep, said Sue. I have to paint an old miner. I'll call Bearman up to be my model. She rushed down. Bearman lived on the ground floor. All right, Johnsy says, okay, but finish your painting as soon as possible. I want to see that the last leaf will, when the last leaf falls. I am tired now. I can't wait anymore. I have to die. I am tired of waiting to die means. So let me die peacefully. Let me go away peacefully means let me die peacefully like these poor leaves are dying one by one. So Sue said that try to sleep. I have to make the painting of an old miner. So I will call Bearman up to be my model. I'll call one person named Bearman. He must be living there somewhere, and Sue went to call Bearman to ask him to be his model to sit and while Sue paints. Sue rushed down to call Bearman who lived on the ground floor. यहाँ पे क्या होता है ये जॉन्सी कहती है अच्छा ठीक है जल्दी से अपनी पेंटिंग फिनिश कर दो क्योंकि मैं तंग आ चुकी हूँ. अब राह देखते देखते मैं तंग आ चुकी हूँ. अब मैं मरने की राह नहीं देख सकती और मैं मरना चाहती हूँ और ऐसे ही मरना चाहती हूँ शांति से जैसे कि ये गरीब पुअर बेचारे थके हुए पत्ते मर रहे हैं वैसे मैं भी मरना चाहती हूँ जल्दी से. सी उसे कहती है कि सोने की कोशिश करे और उसे एक ओल्ड माइनर जो खुदाई करते हैं माइनर की पेंटिंग बनानी है जो अर्थ में से कई चीज़ें निकालने के लिए जो खुदाई करते हैं वैसे मुझे पेंटिंग बनानी है. उसके लिए एक बेयरमैन करके एक पर्सन है उनको मैं बुलाने जा रही हूँ जो कि ग्राउंड फ्लोर पे रहते हैं. तो जो वह जल्दी से उन्हें बुलाने चली गई. He was a 60-year-old painter. His lifelong dream was to paint a masterpiece, but that had remained a dream. Sue poured out her worries to Bearman. She told him how Johnsy was convinced that she would die when the last leaf fell. Bearman was a 60-year-old painter. He was also a painter by profession like Sue and Johnsy, and his lifelong dream was to paint a masterpiece of his life, the best painting of his life. It was his dream. So Sue poured out her worries means Sue told her worries, everything to Bearman and shared her problems related to Johnsy. She told that Johnsy she had made up the mind that she will die when the last leaf fell. यहाँ पे 60 साल के एक पेंटर हैं, उनका नाम है बेयरमैन। वो ग्राउंड फ्लोर पे ही रहते हैं। जॉन्सी के बारे में स्यू ने उन्हें सब कुछ बताया, अपनी चिंताएं सारी उनको बताई। और बेयरमैन का पूरी ज़िंदगी का उनका यही ड्रीम था, यही सपना था कि वह एक मास्टरपीस बनाए, अपनी ज़िंदगी की सबसे बढ़िया पेंटिंग बनाए। Is she stupid? asked Behrman. How can she be so foolish? She is running a high temperature, complains you. She refuses to eat or drink, and that worries me a lot. I'll come with you and John C. Behrman said. Now, what happens? Behrman asked that whether she is stupid to think like that. How can she act so stupid and foolish? So Sue said that she is having high fever. Because of that, she may be having worries like that. She is behaving like this. She does not eat or drink proper, and even I am worried about her. I will come with you and see Johnsy, Behrman said. They tiptoed into the room. Johnsy was sleeping. Sue drew the curtain together and they went to the next room. She peeped out through the window. There was only one leaf on the creeper. It was raining heavily and an icy cold wind was blowing. It seemed as though the leaf would fall any minute now. Behrman did not say a word. He went back to his room. यहाँ पे बेयरमैन कहते हैं पहले कि ये क्या स्टूपिड है, ऐसा क्यों सोच रही है, ऐसी बेवकूफ़ी क्यों कर रही है वो। तो तब स्यू ने बताती है कि उसे बहुत तेज़ बुखार है, इसकी वजह से उसने खाना पीना भी छोड़ रखा है और मैं उसके बारे में बहुत ही चिंतित हूँ। मुझे बहुत चिंता होती है कि वो खा पी नहीं रही है और उसका बुखार भी कम नहीं हो रहा है। तो बेयरमैन कहते हैं चलो ठीक है, मैं आपके साथ आता हूँ और मैं जॉन्सी को देख लेता हूँ। वह टिपटोड मीन्स धीरे धीरे चुपके चुपके उसके रूम में गए ताकि कोई अगर वो सो रही हो तो इनकी आवाज़ से वो डिस्टर्ब नहीं हो। जॉन्सी सो रही थी। स्यू ने कर्टेन्स लगा दिए, ढक दिया, पर्दा डाल दिया और वो दूसरे रूम में चले गए। तब उसने खिड़की में से बाहर जाके देखा तो वहाँ पर एक ही पत्ता बचा था क्रीपर पे। बहुत ही तेज़ बारिश हो रही थी और खूब ठंडी बर्फीली हवाएं चल रही थी। ऐसा लग रहा था कि ये पत्ता भी कभी किसी वक्त भी किसी भी मिनट ये पत्ता गिर जाएगा। बेयरमैन ने एक शब्द भी नहीं बोला, वह अपने रूम में वापस चले गए। ये धीरे से दे टिपटोड, बोथ ऑफ देम वेंट टू जॉन्सीज रूम. जॉन्सी वॉज ऑलरेडी sleeping there, so Sue just put the curtains together and they both came to Sue's room. When Sue saw out of the window, there was only one, that last leaf was remaining. So Sue was knowing, she knew that any time in this cold winds, in this heavy rains, it will fall. Any minute the last leaf will fall now. So Behrman, without saying anything, without discussing, he went back to his place, his room. Johnsy woke up next morning. In a feeble voice, she asked Sue to draw the curtains. She was nervous. She drew back the curtains very reluctantly. When she woke up the next morning in a feeble means in a very, very weak voice, feeble voice. She asked Sue that draw the curtains. We all know that she wanted Sue to draw the curtains, take out the curtains away from the window. So she wanted to see the last leaf outside. Sue did the same thing, but Sue was very nervous because she had there in her mind any time the leaf must have fallen. So now there will no leaf and Sue will associate it to her death. So she followed the order of Johnsy, but she did it with very reluctance. Reluctantly means hesitantly. Oh, Sue exclaimed as she looked at the vine creeper. Look, there is still one leaf. What happened here? Sue was very happy to see the vine creeper. There was one last leaf remaining. Still that last leaf was there on the creeper. It looks quite green and healthy in spite of the storm and the fierce winds. It didn't fall. So Johnsy was very happy that that leaf looked quite green, healthy, and it did not fall in spite of the fierce winds, strong winds. जॉन्सी बहुत हैप्पी थी, ये देख के खुश थी कि जैसे ये लीफ अभी तक गिरा नहीं, लास्ट लीफ, और लीफ काफ़ी अच्छा हेल्दी और ग्रीन लग रहा था। और इतनी तेज़ तूफ़ानी हवा और स्टॉर्म के बावजूद भी ये गिरा नहीं था। I heard the wind last night, said Johnsy. I thought it would have fallen. It will surely fall today, then I will die. You won't die, said Sue energetically. You have to live for your friends. What would happen to me if you die? I heard the wind last night. Johnsy said that she heard the voice of the wind and she thought that the leaf will surely fall. But then the leaf didn't fall. So she is expecting the leaf to fall today. So she said that after the last leaf will fall, I will die. Then Sue says that you will not die, you have to live for your friends. What would happen to me? That you will not die, you will live for us. What would happen to us if you die? What would happen to your friends? You have to live for your friends as they want you. यहाँ पे जॉन्सी कहती है मुझे आवाज़ सुनाई दी थी, हवाएं चल रही थी, तेज़ हवाएं चल रही थी। अब मुझे लगा कि ये पत्ता ज़रूर गिर गया होगा, तो आज तो ये गिर ही जाएगा, उसके बाद मैं मर जाऊँगी। तो स्यू कहती है आप नहीं मरोगी, आपको अपने दोस्तों के लिए जीना होगा। अगर आप मर जाओगे तो मेरा क्या होगा? जॉन्सी स्माइल्ड वीकली एंड क्लोज्ड हर आइज. आफ्टर एवरी hour or so she would look out of the window and find the leaf still there. It seemed to be clinging to the creeper. Johnsy smiled weakly. Weakly means we know that she was very weak with pneumonia and she was not having her food. After each and every hour she just looked out of the window to see that still that last leaf was there or not, but it seemed to be sticking to the creeper. The last leaf was still there. In the evening there was another storm, but the leaf did not fall. Johnsy lay for a long time looking at the leaf. Then she called out to Sue. In the evening, what happened when it was the evening time, there was second storm, another storm, but the leaf was very strong and sturdy enough not to fall. Johnsy continuously looked at the leaf, whether the leaf will fall or not, but the leaf did not fall. So Johnsy called out to Sue. She gave voice to Sue. यहाँ पे जॉन्सी बहुत धीरे से कमज़ोरी से हंसती हैं और अपनी आंखें बंद कर देती हैं। हम जानते हैं कि उन्हें बहुत ही कमज़ोरी है, क्योंकि निमोनिया में उन्होंने कुछ खाया पिया नहीं है और वह बहुत ही बीमार रह चुकी है। तब थोड़ी थोड़ी देर में 1 घंटे के बाद वो बाहर देखती रहती है जैसे कि ये पत्ता गिरा कि नहीं, आखिरी पत्ता, पर वो पत्ता बहुत ही स्ट्रॉन्ग लग रहा है और वो पत्ता अभी तक गिरा नहीं है। जिसके बाद वो स्यू को आवाज़ देकर बुलाती हैं। I have been a bad girl. You have looked after me so lovingly and I have not cooperated with you. I have been depressed and gloomy. The last leaf has shown me how wicked I have been. I have realized that it is a sin to want to die. अब जॉन्सी को अपनी बात का एहसास होता है अपना कि मैं बहुत ही बुरी लड़की हूँ, तुमने मेरी बहुत अच्छे से देखभाल करी पर मैंने तुम्हारा साथ नहीं दिया, तुम्हें सहकार नहीं दिया। मैं बहुत ही उदास और डिप्रेस्ड थी, तनाव में थी, डिप्रेशन में थी और ये इस लास्ट पत्ते, आखिरी पत्ते ने मुझे बता दिया है कि मैं कितनी ख़राब थी जो मैं मरना चाहती थी। मरने की कोशिश करना या मरने की बात सोचना भी एक पाप है। Johnsy said to Sue that yes, I was a bad girl. You are so good friend. You looked after me lovingly. You took good care of mine. But I have not cooperated with you. I have not given you full support. I have not been wanting to get all right soon. I have been sad and depressed. And this last leaf has shown me that I was wicked, bad. I was thinking to die. It is a sin. We should not want to die. Sue hugged Johnsy. Then she gave her lots of hot soup and a mirror. Johnsy combed her hair and smiled brightly. In the afternoon, the doctor came after examining his patient. He told Sue, Johnsy now has the will to live. I am confident she'll recover soon. Now I must go downstairs and see Bearman. He is also suffering from pneumonia, but I am afraid there's no hope for him. Now, when Johnsy said good things, she was okay, she was having the will to live, then Sue hugged her, gave her a hug, and Sue gave Johnsy lots of hot soup so she can have it and she can have some medicine and get well soon, and a mirror so that she can comb her hair. So Johnsy combed her hair and smiled. Now she smiled brightly. When the doctor came in the afternoon, doctor examined Johnsy. Doctor said, now Johnsy has the will to live. She will recover soon. She will get well soon. But it will take some time, as we all know. But she will be all right now. Doctor has to go downstairs to see Bearman as he is also suffering from pneumonia. But for him, there is no hope. We don't think that he will live. The doctor said that he doesn't think that Bearman will live. He is also suffering from pneumonia. स्यू जॉन्सी को हक करती हैं और उसे बहुत सारा अच्छा सा गरम सूप बना के देती हैं और एक अरीसा एक आईना भी देती हैं जिससे वो शीशा भी देती हैं जिसमें वो देख के अपने बाल बनाती हैं और अच्छे से बहुत ही खुशी से चमकती हुई स्माइल देती हैं। और जब दोपहर को डॉक्टर आते हैं, डॉक्टर जॉन्सी को देख के कहते हैं कि अब जॉन्सी को जीने की आशा है, अब वो जल्दी से जल्दी ठीक होती जाएगी, अब वो रिकवर करने लगेगी। अब मुझे नीचे जाना पड़ेगा और मैं बेयरमैन को देखने जाना चाहता हूँ। और बेयरमैन को भी निमोनिया हो गया है, पर उसके बचने की कोई भी आशा नहीं है। The next morning, Sue came and sat on Johnson's bed. Taking Johnson's hand in hers, she said that I'll have something to tell you. Mr. Bearman died of pneumonia this morning. He was ill for only 2 days. The first day the janitor found him on his bed. His clothes and shoes were wet and he was shivering. He had been out in that stormy night. The next morning, Sue comes and sits on Johnson's bed. Sue takes Johnson's hand in her and then she tells that I want to share something with you. I want to tell you something. Mr. Bearman was living on the ground floor. That 60-year-old painter. He died because of pneumonia. He was ill for only 2 days. He had severe pneumonia. The first day the janitor means janitor is a person who takes care, or watchman, or some caretaker of a building. A caretaker or doorkeeper of a building. So, the janitor found him on his bed. His clothes and shoes were wet. When the janitor found him ill on his bed, that time his clothes were all dripping with snow and water, very cold, and his shoes were also wet and he was shivering. He went out in the stormy night. यहाँ पे स्यू अगली मॉर्निंग जॉन्सी के बेड के पास आके बैठती हैं, जॉन्सी के बेड पे, और जॉन्सी का हाथ अपने हाथ में लेके कहती हैं कि मैं आपको कुछ बताना चाहती हूँ। हमारी बिल्डिंग में जो नीचे रहने वाले मिस्टर बेयरमैन, उनको 2 दिन के लिए ही वो बीमार थे और निमोनिया से उनकी मौत हो गई है, उनकी मृत्यु हो चुकी है। जब पहले दिन वो बीमार थे तब उन्हें जैनिटर ने उनके बेड पर देखा था, जब उनके सारे कपड़े और जूते गीले थे और वो काँप रहे थे पूरी तरह, और वो तूफ़ानी रात में बाहर थे। Then they found a ladder and lantern still lighted lying near his bed. There were also some brushes and green and yellow paints on the floor near the ladder. Johnsy dear, said Sue, Look out of the window, look at that ivy leaf. Haven't you wondered why it doesn't flutter when the wind blows? That's Behrman's masterpiece. He painted it the night the last leaf fell. Oh, Henry. यहाँ पे here what happens? The people found a ladder and lantern. Lantern means that diya, a lamp. Still it was lighted near Behrman's bed, and there were also some brushes, green and yellow paints on the floor near the ladder. So Sue asked Johnsy that look out of the window, look at that ivy leaf. Haven't you ever wondered? Don't you think that in spite of such wind and fierce storm and everything, the leaf didn't fall? Didn't you think that? So why it doesn't flutter? Flutter means as the leaves vibrate or shake when the winds come. So this leaf doesn't flutter at all, doesn't move at all. You know, that is Behrman's masterpiece, which he made it when you were very ill and you attach your death to that last leaf. So Behrman painted that masterpiece on the stormy night. This was the masterpiece of his life, which he painted for you. He saved your life, and while saving your life, it took his life because of getting wet continuously in that rainfall and heavy storm and rains, icy cold winds. He got pneumonia. He was down and ill with pneumonia, and he died within 2 days. So it is his masterpiece. This is not a real leaf, but it is a painted leaf from Behrman. So he gave life to you before dying. तो यहाँ पे क्या होता है कि जहाँ बेयरमैन बीमार पड़ा है उसके बिस्तर के पास ही एक सीढ़ी है, फिर पेंट्स हैं, ग्रीन एंड येलो ब्रशेस हैं, एक दिया, एक लैम्प जलता हुआ है जैसे फानूस। और स्यू जॉन्सी को कहती है कि तुम ये जब बाहर देखती हो खिड़की में, तुम्हें ज़रा सा भी एहसास नहीं हो रहा? कभी तुमने सोचा नहीं कि ये पत्ता बिल्कुल हिलता नहीं है, कितनी भी हवाएं चले पत्ता वहीं का वहीं चिपका सा रहता है? ये पत्ता सचमुच का पत्ता नहीं है, ये बेहरमन का मास्टरपीस है जो उन्होंने खुद ने पूरी रात भीग कर खूब तूफ़ानी आंधी बारिश में ठंडी ठंडी हवाओं में उन्होंने तुम्हारे लिए बनाया है। ये सचमुच ही उनकी लाइफ का मास्टरपीस है जो उन्होंने तुम्हारी जान बचाने के लिए पेंट किया और जिसकी वजह से उनकी अपनी जान चली गई। 2 ही दिन के अंदर वह निमोनिया से उनकी मृत्यु हो गई। तो तुम्हें बचाने के लिए उन्होंने अपना जीवन दे दिया और तुम्हारे लिए उन्होंने एक मास्टरपीस ऐसा पेंट किया कि जिसकी वजह से तुम्हें वापस जीवन मिल गया। With this, I would like to end this last concluding, that is second part of the lesson number 7, the last leaf, standard 9th moment supplementary reader book. I hope you must have understood this lesson thoroughly. Hope to see you again very early as soon as possible. So bye bye for the time being. Do not forget to subscribe the channel. Bye bye. See you.